I did something bad at school today. I punched Miss Christina in the face. I'm scared for Nature Cat to punish me. Wait. Maybe if I do the right thing and tell Nature Cat the truth, maybe he won't punish me. Yes. Then I won't get grounded this time.
Hey Ronald, how's it going?
Nature Cat, I have something to tell you. I got expelled from school because I punched Miss Christina, and I am very sorry.
Wow. That is very nice of you to do that. But
I'm going to rape you!
Oh my god.
Don't fucking run away from me!
I've got to hide under the bed.
I'll end you! Where'd you fucking go? You son of a bitch!
Oh my god, Nature Cat. You're a psycho.
Don't fucking run away from me! Don't fucking go in my closet!
Oh no. It's a dead end.
You son of a bitch!
Now.
The end.